Hello, everyone, and welcome back. If you're new here, welcome, and thanks for stopping by. If you enjoy commentary without all the fluff, join our family by subscribing. Picking up from where we left off, all four co-conspirators will be returning to court on March 2nd at 10:30 a.m. In reference to Travell Hill, he's pled not guilty, and he was recently appointed a lawyer named John M. Lynch on December 11th, who serves as his co-counselor. He also has another lawyer who, by the way, is not a public defender, and neither is Lynch. So I wonder if they are doing the work pro bono, or does this man have some obscene amount of funds for his defense? A petition went before the court on his behalf, and someone must be praying for him because the death penalty charge that he was facing has now been vacated. He now falls under the same sentencing guidelines as the other co-conspirators, with the exception of Wally Yanea. In a not surprising move, Tim has yet again another lawyer who is identified as an Ethan E. Koliha, who entered the chat on January 4th. By the way, so far Tim has had 4 different attorneys terminated from representing him. I'm sure some were let go by Tim and some chose not to continue with him, which says a lot about the fight he has ahead of him to prove his innocence. This Koliha got to work immediately by submitting a letter regarding discovery, which is a letter from Tim's attorney attempting to obtain evidence from the other parties or party by means of discovery devices such as interrogations, requests for production of documents, requests for admissions, etc. He also filed a motion for Jenks material and Brady material. For those not familiar, the Jenks Act provides that no material shall be subjected to subpoena, discovery, or inspection until the said witness has testified on direct examination in the trial of the case. This can be done to expedite a trial involving many witnesses. The Brady material requires prosecutors to disclose materially exculpatory evidence in the government's possession to the defense. As a result of these motions that were filed on January 22nd, there was a hearing set for February 17th on Tim's behalf. The proceedings of that hearing revealed by Tim's other lawyer, Joseph Hogan, that there were other victims at the shooting scene and at least 4 other weapons other than the one that ended Andre were recovered. So as it stands, the defense is doing their best to vindicate Tim, although a mountain of evidence has been revealed, which includes the series of text messages between Tim and Wally, which I read, and I'll leave a link above. The money transfer between Terica Travell and Tim after the incident occurred with Andre. The fact that Terica called out Andre out of his home, where he was at the time, to the vehicle where she was, saying she had gotten him a pair of pants, which led to him being executed, and then she called Tim and Travell to let them know where Andre was, allegedly. James Timothy Norman is still rotating through lawyers as if they literally cost a dime a dozen, and just know that these are not just your run-of-the-mill public defenders, nothing wrong with that, barely made it through law school attorneys. No, these are high-profile figures who I'm sure come with a hefty price. And yet, Tim, who is estimated to have a net worth of $500,000, can afford them. As mentioned at the opening of this update, there is a hearing set for the 2nd of March. What about this new proposed defense saying that there were other victims at the scene and 4 other weapons, including the one that led to Andre's demise, were present? Do you think the hearing on the 2nd will proceed without delays from Tim? Do you think with all the previous evidence, this new discovery can be an out for Tim? Let's talk about it in the comment section because these developments leading up to the trial date has me wondering if Tim could actually be acquitted. I mean, it is the American judicial system where money talks and the guilty walks. Allegedly. Remember that all parties involved, mentioned, are charged in an indictment, which is merely an accusation, and the defendants are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty. If you haven't already, remember to subscribe, like, and share. Also, turn on your notification bell and stay tuned for more. And I will most certainly catch you in the next one. Stay safe.